Welcome back to Scholarship. Today I want to show you two PhD opportunities that are genuinely unlike anything we have covered before. One is about aerial robots, drones that autonomously assemble buildings. The other is about using artificial intelligence to manage smart energy grids, electric vehicles, and renewable energy systems. Both are fully funded, both are at leading research universities, the Technical University of Munich in Germany and Carleton University in Canada. And both are exactly the kind of research that will define the infrastructure of the 21st century. So let's get into it. The first opportunity is at the Technical University of Munich. TU Munich, one of Germany's most prestigious internationally ranked universities. The position is a full-time research associate and PhD candidate in aerial robotic buildings assembly. Within the professorship digital fabrication at the TU School of Engineering and Design. And yes, this is exactly what it sounds like. You will be researching how teams of drones can autonomously assemble buildings. So what is the project? The position is part of HARPA, Heterogeneous Aerial Robot Teams for in situ buildings assembly, an EU-funded research project. HARPA is exploring how heterogeneous teams of aerial robots, meaning different types of drones working together, can physically assemble building components in situ, meaning on site at real construction locations. Think about what this means for the future of construction. Buildings assembled faster, safer in locations inaccessible to humans, with precision that manual labor cannot match. This is digital fabrication meeting robotics at the largest scale. So what will you be researching? You will be developing your own research topic. Within the HARPA project framework, the group sits at the intersection of digital construction technologies, robotics, and computational design. You will work in an interdisciplinary research teams with engineers, architects, computer scientists, and who can apply. You need a passion for digital construction technologies and an interest in working in an interdisciplinary research team. A background in engineering, architecture, computer science, or related discipline relevant to the project is expected. The supervisor is looking for someone who wants to develop their own research direction within this space. What is the package? This is a full-time position, meaning you receive a research associate salary under the German public sector collective agreement, not just a stipend. Germany's TVL or TVOD scale for early career researchers is competitive and comes with full social security, health insurance, and employment benefits. The start date is going to be 1st of October 2026 or by agreement. And how to apply, which is important. Send your application to info.df@ed.tum.ed. The email address is in the description below. Full information about the application requirement is on the TUM project page, also linked in the description. Deadline is 28 June 2026. So I'm going to put across the advertisement put by the professor Catherine Doffler, and you all can look. You can click on the links which is given. You can also contact the professor that has put across the advertisement and do the connection as well. And yes, moving forward for the second opportunity, which is at Carleton University in Ottawa, Canada, which is one of Canada's strong research intensive universities located in the nation's capital. The position is 1 to 2 fully funded PhD students in computer science focused on AI for smart energy systems. And why does this matter? The energy transition is one of the defining challenges of the next 30 years. The world is moving from centralized fossil fuel power plants to distributed renewable energy, solar panels, wind farms, battery storage, electrical vehicles. Managing all of that in real time at scale is an enormously complex optimization problem. And AI, specifically reinforcement learning, is one of the most promising tools we have to solve it. So what will you research? The research focuses on applying artificial intelligence to smart energy systems like microgrids and nanogrids. Specifically, research topics that are going to include is deep reinforcement learning or DRL for energy management, multi-agent reinforcement learning MARL, where multiple AI agents coordinate across a distributed grid, large language models LLMs, and agentic AI applied to energy systems. Renewable energy integration, battery energy storage systems, electrical vehicle charging management, demand response, meaning how we shift energy use to match supply, and cyber physical resilient grid operation, making sure the grid is secure against attacks. So this is generally one of the most impactful areas of AI research right now, and a PhD in this space sets you up for careers in both academia and the energy industry. Who can apply? You should have a strong background in electrical engineering, computer science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, control systems, power system or related field, experience with Python, PyTorch or TensorFlow, reinforcement learning, optimization or energy system is highly desirable. The supervisor will give preference to candidates with prior research experience in any of these areas. Funding: fully funded PhD positions starting fall of 2026 to spring 2027. The exact stipend amount is not listed publicly, but Canadian PhD funding is competitive, typical in the range of Canadian $20,000 to $30,000 Canadian dollars per year, depending on grants and supervisor funding. And how to apply: email your CV including publications and your unofficial undergraduate and graduate transcripts to shishchao.liu@cunet.carleton.ca. The address is in the description. This is a rolling process, so apply as soon as possible. So, two extraordinary fully funded PhD opportunities, one pushing the frontier of how we build and the other reshaping how we power the world. And all application contacts and links are in the description below. If this video added value, please give it a like and subscribe so you never miss another opportunity from Scholarship. We post every week with new fully funded scholarships, fellowships and PhD positions from around the globe. For ambitious young researchers like you, share this video. Someone in your network is looking for exactly this. Help them to find it. Until the next one, good luck.